Hello everyone. Good evening to all. Good day to all. I welcome all my dear kids to today's online live classes. I am Pushpashri, faculty of Bhat and Bhat Tutorials. I'll be handling mathematics for you. So, well, my dear kids, in the last session, we were discussing about the chapter of square and square roots, and in that we had solved some of the exercises, around six exercises that we have solved, and there are some more exercises. We'll just quickly do that and let us complete the exercise part of that. And if you people have missed the last session, please go through the description box and watch the previous class videos. So well, let's move on to today's class. So that is where we will be solving the exercise problems of square numbers. So come, let's solve. So this is your seventh exercise. That means exercise number 1.1 in that seventh question. So without adding, take down the question along with me. Without adding, find the sum. Without adding, find the sum. So this is your question. So there are some numbers. I'll just write that numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 is equal to, next question, 1 plus 3 plus 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. The next question, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, and then it is 23. So this is your question. See to the question. In question they have given you 3 sub questions. So this is your sub question 1, sub question 2, and this is your third one. So what they are telling here, without adding, you have to find the sum of these numbers. So they have given, see here you can see all the numbers are odd numbers. See the first one, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So where here all the numbers are the odd numbers. Same way in the second question also. All the numbers are odd numbers. In the third question also, all the numbers are odd numbers. But what they are telling here, without adding, you have to find what is the sum. Ma'am, how can we find the sum without adding? So there are some tricks and there are some ways to solve these kind of problems. Okay. First, take down the first question. So here only I am writing the answer. When you are writing the answer, again rewrite the question in the solution part and then you can answer. Fine. See here, there are how many numbers? First we have to check. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 numbers. Correct. So there are 5 numbers. That means 5 square. So we know 5 square is 25. That means the sum of these numbers is 25. Okay. So if you want to verify, you can check it by adding 9 plus 1, 10 plus 7, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20 plus 5, 25. Okay, this is how we are going to get the answer. In the same way, add this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means 10 square you will take. 10 square is nothing but 100. And if you add all these numbers, you will get 100. That is for sure. In the same way, come for the third question, add the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12, and that means 12 square, that is 144. So this is why I said you to learn the square numbers. Got this? So here you will be finding how many numbers you are having. Instead of counting each and every number, you will be counting how many numbers that you are having, and from that numbers you will be taking the squares of that and you will be writing the squares of that square numbers. Fine. So I'll just write the hint here. So hint, so that it will be helpful for you. So count the numbers in the question, comma, and then take the squares of that number. So this is the hint. By following this hint, you can write this answer, okay? And now you can copy down, and while you are copying again, just rewrite these 3 questions, okay? And then you write the answers. And the answers, and just mark it. Okay, copy down this now. Okay, fine students, hope you all copied down this. So now I'll move on to the next one, the 8th question. We'll move on to the next question now. Okay, question number 8. Express 49. Okay, in that 8th question, the first sub question, this is express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. As the sum of 7 odd numbers. So as we have discussed the last problem, and this problem has a connection with the previous problem. How? See here, you have to express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. So in the last question, we had taken the sum of odd numbers and we then found out the square numbers, right? So with this square number, we have to find the odd numbers. By adding how many odd numbers, you will get the 49. So we know that 49 is the square number of 7. So for number 7, you will get the square number 49. That is 7 square is equal to 49, or 7 sevens it is 49. So that means it is easily understood that where you will be adding the 7 odd numbers. So we'll see the solution now for this. Solution 1 plus 3 So can you see there are 7 odd numbers, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 and plus 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 numbers. By adding this, you will get 49 as your answer. So this is what your solution. So if you want, you can add all these numbers and you can verify. Okay. So now you can copy down this easiest question. The thing is, you have to think. Okay. Copy down. Fine. Hope you all copied down this. Now I'll just move on to the second question. Copy the second question. In 8th one only, it is the second question. Express 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. So here it is numbers, okay? I have just used the short form. Okay. So in the same way, here also you will be solving. Whereas here you express it 49, here you will be expressing 121. Okay. So 121 is the square of which number? So since 121 is the square of 11, where we will be writing 11 odd numbers. So come, let's write 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 7 odd numbers now. So the sum of these 7 odd numbers is 121. So now we can write the solution or the hint or the reason, whatever, or note will write. Note. For the first one, I'll write the note. There, since 49 is the square number of 7, full stop and continue. We are adding 7 odd numbers. And for the second question, since, what is the second one? 121, right? 121 is the square of, or the square number of, how many odd numbers? 11. Oh, sorry, what is the square number? 11. So we are adding 11 odd numbers. Got this? So since 49 is for 7, we are adding 7 odd numbers, and 11, so for 121 it is 11. So we are adding 11 odd numbers. Well, copy down this now. Okay. Hope you all copied this 8th question. Now we'll just move on to the 9th one. Okay, take down the 9th one. How many numbers, 9th one, how many numbers lie between 'squares of the following numbers'? Between squares of the following numbers. So this is your question. So how many numbers lies between the squares of the following numbers? Okay. So this one you have to find out. And the questions are 12 and 13. First one, that is 12 and 13. Second one, 25 and 26. Third one, 99 and 100. So these are the 3 numbers that you are having. So you have to find out how many numbers lie between squares of the given following numbers. That is, squares of the following numbers. So what are the following numbers here? So first one is 12 and 13. First, what you have to do, you have to find the square numbers for 12 and 13. So when I found out that, see here, for 12 square, it is, okay, solution I'll just write over here, or just a second. And your third one, that is 99 and 100. So I'll just write the solution here. Solution, first one, 12 and 13. Okay, 4. So you have to find the square of the 12 first. So 12 square is equal to 144. 13 square is equal to, so what is 13 square? 13 square is equal to 169. So therefore 144 or 169, whatever you can take. So 169 minus 144, you will get how much? So 9 minus 4, you will get 5. So remainder is 25. Minus 1 you have to do, and your answer is 24. Okay, got this? See here, first you will write, find the 12 square. Since the number is 12, I will be finding the square of that number, that is 12 square. 12 square is 144, and the next number is 13. I'll find the square for 13. 13 square is 169. So 144 minus 169, which gives me 25. For 25, it is compulsory that you will be doing minus 1, and you will get the answer as 24. And for the second question, that is 25 and 26. So 25 square is equal to 625. Okay, and 26 square is equal to 676, comma, therefore 676 minus 625 is equal to 51, and it is compulsory, as I have said, you have to do minus 1 and you will get 50 as your answer. Since you are doing all the steps, you will be doing minus 1 in the last. And your third question, the last one, that is 99 and 100. Alright, 99 and 100. Find the square of 99 square. You will get 9801, and for 100 square you will get 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore 10,000 minus 9,801. 9,801, you will get 199, and you will do minus 1, that is 198. Got this? So therefore for the first one it is 24 is your answer, and for the second one it is 50, the third one it is 198. So now you can copy down this.